In today's video, I'm going to walk you through how to block an IP address from accessing your website on Hostgator. This is a simple but powerful way to control unwanted traffic and protect your site from suspicious activity. Even if you are new to hosting or site management, the steps are easy to follow, and I will guide you through everything from start to finish. Let's get started. Begin by opening your preferred web browser and going to hostgator.com. Once the homepage loads, look toward the top right corner and click on the sign in button. Enter your username and password to access your Hostgator dashboard. After logging in, you will land in your main control panel where all your hosting tools and settings are located. If you are not already on the homepage section, navigate back to it from the left menu. From there, look for the option labeled website. Click on it and the Hostgator will take you to a page that contains all the essential settings related to your site hosting and management. Next, find the settings section. Clicking on settings will open a list of additional options you can explore. Since we are focusing on security today, look for the option labeled security and click on it. This page is dedicated to protecting your website and gives you tools to control access and reduce unwanted activity. Once you are on the security page, look for the feature called IP Blocker. Click on it to open the tool. This feature gives you the ability to block specific IP addresses from visiting your website. It is especially helpful if you are dealing with suspicious visitors, spam traffic, or repeated unwanted access attempts. Inside the IP blocker tool, you will see a field where you can type in the IP address you want to block. Carefully enter the IP address and then click on the Add button. Hostgator will process your request and block that IP from accessing your site. The change usually applies within a few moments. You can repeat this process for any additional IP addresses you want to restrict. And that's all there is to it. You have successfully blocked an IP address from your website on Hostgator. Taking a few minutes to manage your security settings can make a big difference in keeping your site safe and running smoothly. It is also a good idea to check your blocked IP list occasionally to make sure everything is up to date. Thank you so much for watching. If this tutorial helped you, be sure to like the video and subscribe for more simple step-by-step guides just like this one. Your support helps the channel grow and allows me to keep creating helpful content for you. Take care, and I will see you in the next video.